Other forms of crimes. Topic: Violent and aggressive offenders, sexual offenders. Violent and aggressive offenders. Violent crimes involve physical harm, aggression, or force against individuals. They are often driven by personal motives, economic disparities, or socio-political unrest. Types of violent crimes. 1. Murder. Section 302 IPC. Premeditated and intentional killing of a person. Statistics. India sees an average of 28,000 to 30,000 murder cases annually, driven by revenge, disputes, or financial motives. 2. Attempt to murder. Section 307 IPC. An act with the intent to cause death but fails to result in the victim's death. 3. Culpable homicide not amounting to murder. Section 304 IPC. Death caused without premeditation, often under provocation or in self-defense. 4. Assault and battery. Section 351 to 358 IPC. Assault, an attempt or threat to inflict harm. Battery, actual physical contact causing harm. 5. Riots. Section 146 to 148 IPC. Unlawful assembly of 5 or more persons causing disturbance and violence. 6. Crimes of passion, often linked to emotional outbursts in personal relationships, such as domestic violence or honor killings. Causes of violent crimes. Socioeconomic factors, poverty, unemployment, and social inequality. Political unrest, agitations, riots, or terrorism. Psychological factors, mental illness, substance abuse, and impulsive behavior. Laws governing violent crimes. Times Indian Penal Code IPC provides specific sections for violent crimes. Times Arms Act 1959 regulates possession and use of firearms. Times Unlawful Activities Prevention Act 1967 addresses crimes related to terrorism. Preventive measures, strengthening law enforcement, promoting education and awareness programs, encouraging conflict resolution through counseling and mediation. Sexual offenders. Sexual crimes violate an individual's physical and emotional integrity, often targeting women and children. They include a wide range of heinous acts driven by power dynamics, social conditioning, and exploitation. Types of sexual offenses. 1. Rape. Section 375 to 376 IPC. Non-consensual sexual intercourse, with specific provisions for gang rape, custodial rape, and marital rape, yet to be criminalized fully. 2. Sexual harassment. Section 354A IPC. Unwelcome advances, comments, or physical contact intended to outrage modesty. 3. Outraging modesty of a woman. Section 354 IPC. Acts meant to insult or demean women. 4. Stalking. Section 354D IPC. Repeatedly following or contacting someone despite clear disinterest. 5. Child sexual abuse. Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act 2012 POCSO encompasses various forms of sexual exploitation of minors. 6. Human trafficking. Section 370 IPC. Exploitation of individuals for prostitution, forced labor, or organ trade. Cybersexual crimes. Online harassment, sharing explicit content without consent, sextortion, and morphing. Profile of sexual offenders. Acquaintance offenders. In many cases, the perpetrator is known to the victim. Strangers account for fewer incidents but often more violent crimes. Pedophiles target children for exploitation. Causes of sexual crimes. Cultural factors. Patriarchal norms and objectification of women. Power dynamics. Using sex as a tool of dominance. Media influence. Glorification of violence and exploitation. Lack of stringent laws and enforcement. Delayed justice emboldens offenders. Laws addressing sexual offences, Indian Penal Code, IPC Sections 375, 376, 354, and 509, POCSO Act, 2012, Child-Centric Sexual Offence Laws. Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace, Prevention, Prohibition, and Redressal, Act, 2013, Information Technology Act, 2000, deals with cybercrimes, Immoral Traffic, Prevention, Act, 1956, tackles human trafficking. Support mechanisms for victims, one-stop centers, immediate assistance for women in distress. Helplines, e.g., 1091 and 181 for women, counseling services, emotional and psychological support, fast-track courts, expedite trials for rape and sexual assault cases, preventive strategies, education and awareness, gender sensitization in schools and communities, technology, apps for women's safety like Himmat and Raksha, empowerment, encouraging women to report crimes and seek justice. Conclusion: violent and sexual offences continue to be major challenges in India. While robust laws exist, effective enforcement, societal reform, and support systems are vital to curb these crimes. Raising awareness and creating a culture of respect, safety, and gender equality are key to fostering a safer society.